Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me, I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a channel that I could have gone to find honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free, and let's get free together. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. Let's jump right into this review. It is called Partner with Anthony. That's Anthony right there. What is it? It's an affiliate marketing course that shows you how to make money promoting other people's products as well as the Partner with Anthony product through paid traffic. Who was it created by? Anthony Morrison, who is a self-proclaimed guru and marketing specialist. He's been doing marketing for over a decade. He did write a book called The Hidden Millionaire that sold over 1 million copies, and he is pretty well known in the marketing community. What's different about it from other courses? I would say that he is promising to partner with you instead of just showing you how to do affiliate marketing. He's saying, partner with me, make money when I make money, and let me do most everything for you. So that is a little bit different, but we will see if that is really the truth. One thing I would say about that right off the bat is there is no way to contact Anthony directly. You have to write a ticket to his support team and wait for a response. So partnering with him is a loose term. What is included? 13 training video modules. There are some downloadable PDF files. There are a few done for you funnels, and there are some email swipe files. Exclusive commission link. This just means that you might be getting a little bit higher commission from your affiliate links because you're going through Anthony, who is well known. So how does it work? Basically, there are 14 sessions, which are training courses on how to set up your affiliate marketing business through funnels and a website. And then Anthony gives you the links, and he gives you some email verbiage and swipe files to promote Partner with Anthony and other products and software tools that are needed to be successful with this. And then you earn a commission every time somebody signs up for Partner with Anthony, and you also earn a commission for the software tools that they buy through your link. Who is this for? Anthony says it's only for 2 types of people: complete beginner affiliate marketers and internet marketers who are looking to take their business to the next level. So he's really good at verbiage, and this is a good way of saying it is for everybody. I would also say that this might be a good course for you if you already have a ClickFunnels account and an email autoresponder account that you're already paying for every month, because if so, then this course will be pretty cheap for you. So yeah. Who it's not for, I would say if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, you don't already have an email autoresponder, and you can't really afford monthly costs upwards of like $200 to pay for software tools like that and paid traffic, because that's what he teaches, then this is not for you. Cons: Anthony does have a somewhat bad reputation. The monthly price is only for the training, which is a little misleading because you need to pay $97 a month for ClickFunnels, at least $20 a month for an email autoresponder, a keyword tool that he recommends. You're going to end up paying around $170 per month with all the tools that he recommends, plus whatever you spend on advertising every month, because he teaches paid ads. So this should be told to you up front. Tools and software are very common that you need that in business, so why not just be upfront and honest about it in the beginning? So that's a con. It's not completely done for you like he says in the sales video. You do receive funnels and email swipes, but you have to set everything up yourself and figure out how to get traffic yourself. He makes claims like, you get full access to my weekly Success Connection live training where I build businesses and give them to you completely free. What does that mean? I build businesses and give them to you. No. Wrong. That's not happening. Another con is that everyone is getting the same done for you funnels and email swipes that he's promising, so they are eventually going to become less and less effective over time. So what does it cost? It is $7 per month, but like I said, you have to get ClickFunnels. It's $97 per month. You have to get a link tracking software that he recommends, which is $20 to $100 per month. You have to get an email autoresponder software, which is $20 per month. And you have to get, you don't have to, but he highly recommends that you get EverWebinar, which is a webinar software that is $500 per year. $7 a month is base for his course, but you're not going to be successful without all the other stuff. So there is a 30-day money back guarantee, no questions asked. So that's cool. However, I have read some information and reviews that people had trouble getting that refund back, and that some people actually had more money taken out of their account every month without realizing it. So that's not good. My final thoughts are that there are too many bad reviews about Anthony, and there are too many hidden costs. If he was more upfront about the cost of the software and the ads, then it would be more reasonable, because it's like, oh yeah, you're gonna have to pay for that stuff, like duh. But the fact that he hides it, just not a fan of. So my final verdict is that I do not recommend this course. There are better affiliate marketing courses out there and better ways to make money online. Paid traffic is something you should be learning after you learn free traffic, and Anthony isn't teaching free traffic at all. I also just don't like that he's not upfront about the costs. That shows lack of integrity, and I don't want to be learning from somebody that doesn't have integrity. Also, his support seems to be seriously lacking for somebody who is promising to partner with you. So overall, I don't recommend this course. And thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.